Alright, hello, greetings you guys, right? Welcome back to another epic video. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying your Fridays, and in today's video we're going to be covering free ways to make money online. Alright, so if you like this video in advance, please feel free to smash the like button and also press the subscribe button for more epic videos. Let me see if I can write this out here. Alright, so there you go, free online cash. Alright, whoops. Alright, sorry for boring you guys. It's pretty bad. Okay, there we go. Alright, so of course you guys might be wondering, what kinds of, free methods are we going to be covering today? So yeah, we have a lot of different ones, but we're just going to be covering 5, the most basic 5. Let me see if I can drag the screen down. Oh, there you go. And of course, yeah, let me see if I can type it to save myself the embarrassment as well as the time for you guys. So I'm pretty sure you guys are really busy professionals, and yeah, I don't have time for that. Alright, so yeah, so let's get started with number 1. And number 1 is actually going to be the following here. So number one, oh, here we go. Okay, alright, so number 1 is actually GPT. Okay, so GPT basically means get paid to, and all you have to do is, yeah, you might have used this before. It's a bit similar to like Swagbucks, things of that nature. So a GPT offer is essentially an offer where you would get paid to do something. So this could include, this can include anything. This could include doing, yeah, you can click on things, you would receive like a few cents, few pennies here and there, and things of that nature. So yeah, so that would be a GPT offer. And so a good GPT offer would be like, let me see if I can write this here. Okay, there we go. So yeah, so a really handy GPT offer would be like Swagbucks. So yeah, so these are definitely in high demand by like university students, things of that nature. So Swagbucks would be pretty cool. And you could also like finish up surveys and stuff like that. We also have inbox dollars. That's another good example. So yeah, inbox dollars would definitely be a great choice. And another one that I like is QMe. There we go. Yeah, so QMe is basically this sort of button here in the corner. So all you would have to do with QMe is that the cool part about QMe is that there are no minimums, right? So you can actually withdraw money, hypothetically speaking, with only 1 penny in your account. And it's really cool because, they're able to send it to you like as soon as possible. And yep, so of course, for all this stuff, it will be helpful to have at least like 1 PayPal account. You can also get like Payoneer or something wherever PayPal is not accepted. So, either one would work. And great, yep, so that's Swagbucks, as well as inbox dollars and QMe. So I'm going to write I'm going to write etc. here. And we also have the next one. So the next one would be like Freelancing. Okay. So we're actually going in descending order according from, going from the easiest to the most difficult. So freelancing is, yeah, as you might, suggest, yeah, as the title suggests, it's basically when you're doing something, that might have taken you like months or whatever to perfect, and, you're basically providing it as a service. So a good example website for this would be Upwork. So the good news about Upwork is that, anybody could essentially get started for free, and you can start promoting your services starting today. So it's pretty amazing. And yeah, I've made a few dollars from Upwork. Maybe in a future video, I'll be able to share all of the stuff that I've been, learning throughout the process of, just working on Upwork. It's pretty amazing. I actually got like a few gigs and everything. I made over like 100, maybe 200 bucks. So it's not really a big deal. But yeah, so freelancing is, a really cool way to make free cash. So yeah, we're just continuing here. And yeah, so here's another good example. Speaking of Upwork, we also have Fiverr. So Fiverr is essentially, it was basically built on the premise that, you could pay for any service to be done for you for only like $5. Now, of course, it has drastically expanded from that, preconceived notion. But, you could definitely get a lot of really high quality like services done for you for only, like a fraction of, say how much it would cost for, like some sort of service on Craigslist or something. So you could definitely do it that way. And of course, yeah, so that's Upwork as well as Fiverr. We also have TopTow. So TopTow is a bit similar to Upwork and Fiverr. However, the difference is that, you would have to qualify for like, it's highly selective. It's like Upwork and Fiverr, and, I don't really mean to denigrate them, but Upwork and Fiverr are a bit similar to like, like the university of, like regular universities, but TopTow can be, analogous to, I don't know, like maybe like the Ivy League schools, like Princeton, things of that nature. So yeah, so those are really huge deals. And yeah, so the next one is as follows. So you could actually get stocks for free. So a really cool way to get stocks for free would be through Robinhood. And you've probably heard of Robinhood already, but if you haven't, long story short, Robinhood is like a stock trading app, and it has essentially generated or garnered a lot of attention recently due to the fact that, you don't have to pay any fees for trading. So it's really cool. And now they have essentially like expanded it to include cryptocurrency. So it's pretty amazing. And yeah, so that is Robinhood there. And let's see, all right, so there we go. So that's for the stocks there, so Robinhood. And next up is the following. So, once again, you can get free stocks on Robinhood, and all you have to do is just sign up as a new user, and then boom, they'll give you like a free stock automatically. There's some other apps that do it, but due to the sake of time, I've actually forgotten them. So you can definitely go with free stocks. Alright, so next up is as follows. So yeah, this one is pretty good. Now, hypothetically speaking, you can actually, so hypothetically speaking, you can get started, for free with ebooks and courses. Because at the end of the day, all you need are just three things. Number one, you need like a really good niche idea. Number two, you need the manuscript. And number three, you just need a really good way to promote it. And of course, the covers are, the covers essentially count as, promoting, so marketing. Alright, so so those are the ebooks and courses. So yeah, you can definitely do this. And some good websites would be like KDP. Now, KDP is essentially, so it's basically Amazon's proprietary ebook store. And, with KDP, you can sell any kind of ebook available, imaginable, so those would include the likes of, I don't know, like maybe, you could sell audiobooks as well, which I have reluctantly, added here for number 4, for obvious reasons. But yes, so you can do that, with KDP. That would be good for ebooks. And yeah, we also have Udemy. So Udemy is it's like the course version of KDP in the sense that instead of ebooks, you would be selling courses. So yeah, so I'm actually in the process of selling I think I sold like my first 2 or 3 courses. I've already done that. So now I'm planning on, expanding upon it in the near future and so it's going to be pretty amazing. So so that's KDP as well as Udemy. So yeah, and the next one is Teachable. So Teachable is more or less, it's similar to Udemy, except that, for Teachable, you would actually have to do your own promoting. Now, that's actually one of the key advantages associated with Udemy as opposed to Teachable, in the sense that with Udemy, you could actually just, place it, set it, and forget it. And eventually, due to Udemy's superb promotion styles, definitely, eventually you will make sales. So it's pretty good. But with Teachable, once again, you actually have to do the promotions yourself. However, the Teachable stuff actually enables you to create more or less your own brand, and that's essentially what you're going to be striving for as you progress up this ladder here. And the last one, so number 5, is actually as follows. So we have number 5, which is SMMA. All right. So we have SMMA, which is like social media marketing agency. So a social media marketing agency is essentially that. You're basically going to be getting paid to make posts for people. So it's relatively easy. But, of course, it's a bit similar to programming. You're going to have your own portfolio and things of that nature. So, so this is social media marketing agency. All right. Okay, so there you go. So that's the SMMA there. And number 6, yeah, I'm actually going to add this here as a bonus. Yep, so cryptocurrency here. Alright, there you go. Alright, so cryptocurrency, you know, you might be thinking, oh yeah, you need money to trade. Actually, you don't. There are actually some really cool ways in which you can make money through cryptocurrency without even paying. And the first one is mining. Now, aside from, you know, like the electrical stuff, you know, like paying for electricity, you can actually make money just by, you know, mining the currency. And in addition to that, you could actually go with fountains. So fountains are for people who are, who want to make money without, you know, with cryptocurrency without having to, you know, trade or whatever. So yeah, so fountains are really cool. There's a really good example such as free Bitcoin, and they'll be able to like create like more coins for you per hour. It's like in Satoshi. And yep, so and basically, yeah, so that's basically it. And if you guys want to learn more about how to make money with social media marketing agencies, please feel free to click the link below. It's going to take you to Agency Blitz, which is an all-in-one like kit, like suite, and all the kits and everything are going to be like creating they're going to be creating money for you even when you're not like really doing anything. It's going to be pretty cool. Now, of course, you know, you're going to have to work in the beginning, but you know, at the end of the day, it's going to be a fairly remunerative process, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to enjoy it. Alright, so that's basically it for me. Thanks a lot, you guys. My name is Naeem, of course, signing out from HMD Solutions, and hopefully you guys will enjoy, you know, Agency Blitz. Alright, so once again, please feel free to click the link below. You're going to be receiving my bonuses as well as the bonuses available on the sales page. Alright, so thanks a lot, you guys. Take care, and until the next video. Or as we would say in Russian, of course, do встречи. Большое спасибо и до встречи. Alright, cheers, you guys. Cheers.